preferred platform for the company. Vehicles based on this platform are not expected before 2025. 105. Discontinued product. Tesla Roadster. The original Tesla Roadster 106 was a two-seater sports car, evolved from the Lotus Elise chassis. 107. It was produced from 2008 to 2012. The Roadster was the first highway-legal serial production electric car to use lithium-ion battery cells and first production all-electric car to travel more than 200 miles, 320 kilometers, per charge. Connectivity services. Tesla cars come with standard connectivity, which provides navigation using a cellular connection. For a fee, Tesla offers a subscription to premium connectivity which adds live traffic and satellite maps to navigation, internet browsing, and media streaming. 108. Vehicle servicing. Tesla's service strategy is to service its vehicles first through remote diagnosis and repair. If it is not possible to resolve a problem remotely, customers are referred to a local Tesla-owned service center, or a mobile technician is dispatched. 109. 110. Tesla has said that it does not want to make a profit on vehicle servicing, which has traditionally been a large profit center for most auto dealerships. 111. In 2016, Tesla recommended having any Tesla car inspected every 12,500 miles or once a year, whichever comes first. In early 2019, the manual was changed to say, your Tesla does not require annual maintenance and regular fluid changes, and instead it recommends periodic servicing of the brake fluid, air conditioning, tires and air filters. 112. Charging services. Supercharger network. Supercharger is the branding used by Tesla for its high-voltage direct current fast chargers. The Supercharger network was introduced on the 24th of September, 2012, as the Tesla Model S entered production, with 6 sites in California, Nevada and Arizona. As of September 2023, Tesla operates a network of 5,500 supercharger stations with 50,000 connectors. The stations are primarily deployed in 3 regions: Asia Pacific, over 2,000, North America, over 2,000, and Europe, over 1,000. Superchargers supply electrical power at 72 kilowatts, 100 kilowatts, 150 kilowatts or 250 kilowatts, with the maximum amount increasing over the years as the company improves its technology. Destination charging location network. Tesla Supercharger Station, V3, Withton Charging Posts. Destination charger in North America. Tesla also has a network of destination chargers slower than superchargers and intended for locations where customers are expected to park and stay for several hours, such as hotels, restaurants, or shopping centers. Unlike the supercharger network, Tesla does not own the destination chargers. Instead, property owners set up devices and set pricing. 113. When the network first launched in 2014, Tesla provided free charging equipment and covered installation costs. 114. One of the largest providers is hotel chain Hilton Worldwide, which in 2023 announced an agreement with Tesla to install 20,000 chargers across 2,000 of its properties in North America by 2025. 115. Insurance services. Tesla has offered its own vehicle insurance in the United States since 2017 and has been acting as an independent insurance producer since 2021 as Tesla Insurance Services, Incorporated. It was introduced after the American Automobile Association, AAA, a major insurance carrier, raised rates for Tesla owners in June 2017 after a report concluded that the automaker's vehicles crashed more often and were more expensive to repair than comparable vehicles. 116. A second study by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety confirmed findings. 117. The company says that it uniquely understands its vehicles, technology and repair costs, and can eliminate traditional insurance carriers' additional charges. 118. In states where allowed, the company uses individual vehicle data to offer personalized pricing that can increase or decrease in cost based on the prior month's driving safety score. 119. As of 2023, insurance was available in 12 states. 120. As of January 2023, Tisla offers insurance in the U.S. states of Arizona, California, Colorado, Illinois, Maryland, Minnesota, Nevada, Ohio, Oregon, Texas, Utah and Virginia. The company also offers insurance for Tesla vehicle owners with non-Tesla vehicles. 118. Energy products. 2 Tesla Powerwall 2 home energy storage devices from Tesla Energy. Tesla subsidiary Tesla Energy develops, builds, sells and installs solar energy generation systems and battery energy storage products, as well as related products and services, to residential, commercial and industrial customers. The subsidiary was created by the merger of Tesla's existing battery energy storage products division with SolarCity, a solar energy company that Tesla acquired in 2016. 121. In 2022, the company deployed solar energy systems capable of generating 348 megawatts, an increase of 3 megawatts over 2021, and deployed 6.5 gigawatt-hours of battery energy storage products, an increase of 64% over 2021. 122. Tesla energy products include solar panels, built by other companies for Tesla, the Tesla Solar Roof, a solar shingle system, and the Tesla Solar Inverter. Storage products include the Powerwall, a home energy storage device, and the Megapark, a large-scale energy storage system. 123, 124, 125. For large-scale customers, Tesla Energy operates an online platform which allows for automated, real-time power trading, demand forecasting and product control. 126, 127, 128. In March 2021, the company said its online products were managing over 1.2 GWh of storage. 129. For home customers, the company operates a virtual power company in Texas called Tesla Electric, which utilizes the company's online platforms to manage customers' Powerwall devices, discharging them into the grid to sell power when prices are high, earning money for customers. 130, 131. Business strategy. At the time of Tesla's founding in 2003, electric vehicles were very expensive. 132. In 2006, Elon Musk stated that Tesla's strategy was to first produce high-price, low-volume vehicles, such as sports cars, for which customers are less sensitive to price. This would allow them to progressively bring down the cost of batteries, which in turn would allow them to offer robotic manufacturing of the models at the Tesla factory in Fremont, California are cheaper and higher volume cars. 21, 133. Tesla's first vehicle, the Roadster, was low volume, fewer than 2,500 were produced, and priced at over $100,000. The next models, the Model S and Model X, are more affordable but still luxury vehicles. The most recent models, the Model 3 and the Model Y, are priced still lower, and aimed at a higher volume market. 134, 135, selling over 100,000 vehicles each quarter. Tesla continuously updates the hardware of its cars rather than waiting for a new model year, as opposed to nearly every other car manufacturer. 136. Unlike other automakers, Tesla does not rely on franchised dealerships to sell vehicles. Instead, the company directly sells vehicles through its website and a network of company-owned stores. 137. 138. The company is the first automaker in the United States to sell cars directly to consumers. 139. 140. Some jurisdictions, particularly in the United States, prohibit auto manufacturers from directly selling vehicles to consumers. In these areas, Tesla has locations that it calls galleries that the company says educate and inform our customers about our products, but such locations do not actually transact in the sale of vehicles. 141. 142. In total, Tesla operates nearly 400 stores and galleries in more than 35 countries. 143. These locations are typically located in retail shopping districts, inside shopping malls, or other high-traffic areas. 138. Instead of near other auto dealerships. 144. 145. 146. The Tesla patent wall at its headquarters was removed after the company announced its patents are part of the open source movement. 147. Analysts describe Tesla as vertically integrated given how it develops many components in-house, such as batteries, motors, and software. 148. The practice of vertical integration is rare in the automotive industry, where companies typically outsource 80% of components to suppliers and focus on engine manufacturing and final assembly. 149, 150, 151. Tesla generally allows its competitors to license its technology, stating that it wants to help its competitors accelerate the world's use of sustainable energy. 152. Licensing agreements include provisions whereby the recipient agrees not to file patent suits against Tesla, or to copy its designs directly. 153. Tesla retains control of its other intellectual property, such as trademarks and trade secrets, to prevent direct copying of its technology. 154. Technology. Tesla is highly vertically integrated and develops many components in-house, such as batteries, motors, and software. 148. Batteries. Tesla vehicle chassis used in Models and X, with the battery visible as of 2023. Tesla uses 4 different battery cell form factors: 18,650, 2,170, 4,680 and prismatic. 155, 156, 157. Tesla purchases these batteries from 3 suppliers: CATL, LG Energy Solution, and Panasonic, the latter of which has co-located some of its battery production inside Tesla's Gigafactory, Nevada. Tesla is also currently building out the capacity to produce its own batteries. Tesla batteries sit under the vehicle floor to save interior space. Tesla uses a multi-part aluminum and titanium protection system to protect the battery from road debris and forward/or vehicle crashes. 158. Business analysis company Bloomberg NEF estimated Tesla's battery pack cost in 2021 at $112 per kilowatt-hour, versus an industry average of $132 per kilowatt-hour. 159, 18650. Tesla was the first automaker to use cylindrical, lithium-ion battery cells. When it built the first-generation Roadster, it used off-the-shelf 18650 type, 18 mm diameter, 65 mm height, cylindrical batteries that were already used for other consumer electronics. The cells provided an engineering challenge because each has a relatively low capacity, so thousands needed to be bundled together in a battery pack. Electrical and thermal management also proved to be a challenge, requiring liquid. Comparison of Tesla's 3-cylindrical battery cell form factor, schooling and an intumescent fire prevention chemical